We're at the secret river with that spectacular waterfall there, and we're hoping today to get a few drone shots, so bear with us. We'll set the drone up and let's see what we can get filmed around here. And the pilot today, it'll be my daughter, so she's brought a drone out. I told her this was a fantastic location, so we're going to see what shots we can get with her drone. And it really, really is a warm day today. Right, the drone's about to fire up. Feel the draft, can't you, off that? Alright, go on, get your shot then. Well, hopefully we can get some of these shots off the GoPro and link it into what's filmed off the Phantom there. Just up there now. What are you doing, you? The dog's saying, get me in that river quick, aren't you?
Are you holding down?
Yeah, we're ready. Right, well that were a good bit of fun then. And this lad, he needs to get in the water, don't you? Because it's really hot, don't you? You need to cool off. quick catch up from the sniping session. That's the piece of gold that we found with the tweezers, so it's not too bad. These pieces here, I'm thinking that this is like fool's gold, but I'm not sure yet. I think it is though. So the colours there. It does look very convincing. I bet with this camera it looks convincing, and I could probably bullshit you and say I've found the nugget. I don't think it is. That piece there is though. That's a nice definite piece of gold, just from a little session sniping. So I'm pleased with that. The jaw is out with them. And we've had a go. I've just been showing my daughter how we find micro gold in the crevices on the rocks, and there's a small piece there. Diddy. We've actually just worked out some rock here, and there's a few little pieces in there. They're the two main pieces. So that's just from a little, if you like, a little lesson in how to crevice and look in the cracks on bedrock. And we found a few little pieces there. So it's time to go home. I've enjoyed getting the wetsuit on. I've loved it. It's totally different. I found little bits of gold. I never thought I'd be able to do that. Definitely more of that in the future. It's good fun. I recommend it. Had a quick look again, and I've got one piece, two, really small that one. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 small pieces there. So we'll stuff them up. Right, well that's the end of a cracking weekend. We found a bit of the good stuff. We've been out with the drone, been underwater, we've been on land, been up there, been down beneath. Been great. And I've also met quite a few people this weekend who are really good at gold panning and prospecting, and they know the stuff, and I've seen some pretty good stuff actually. Some really nice pieces. So I'm a long way off that standard, but I'm getting there slowly. So stay tuned, and until the next time.